We live in a time of constant change. Markets are changing, technologies are developing rapidly. As a solution provider for innovative laser, clamping and automation technologies in sheet metal processing, we always keep up with the times or are a bit ahead of them. And we have been doing so since the end of the 80s. In 1988, I founded Wild Technology, at that time Wild Engineering in Mülheim. A short time later, we were pioneers with laser welding systems for chimney tubes and white goods. In the mid-90s, the spectrum was expanded to include the automotive industry. Another milestone was the start of laser manufacturing cells for sheet metal assemblies. With the change in the mobility industry, we are now also in a leading position for the products in the hydrogen sector and battery production. It is in the DNA of our company to always be one of the pioneers and technology leaders. At the same time, we are and will remain a family business. I am so pleased that my sons, Florian and Moritz, are integrated into the company management.
Our customers know their markets and challenges and know exactly what they want. We understand what they need and offer them optimal production processes. We accommodate individual requirements from prototype to serious production. Our development department and the tech center carry out feasibility studies for process reliability. Among other things, the prototype plant for the efficient production of metallic bipolar plates is located here. For example, in the e-mobility, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, household appliance and container manufacturing markets, our solutions are creating products for tomorrow. In many long-standing customer relationships, there is a close partnership exchange with manufacturing topics and component design. Thus, we develop and manufacture standalone and turnkey systems, all of which are specially designed and match to customer requirements. Around 240 employees work hand in hand to achieve this, always using state-of-the-art technology, of course. Our systems are impressive, with their flexibility, the high degree of automation and the tremendous quality of our laser cutting and welding processes. After commissioning at the customer site, our service department is available worldwide for maintenance, customer training, system updates and much more. Of course, we take ecological responsibility. Our machines make an important contribution thanks to their energy management and material-saving production. At the same time, we are working to become a climate-neutral company. In 2009, Wild Technology acquired the company Schal Technology, then Schal Engineering, thus meaningfully expanding its scope of services with stamping presses and punching systems. Schal Technology is headquartered in Saarlach near Stuttgart in Germany. In 2024, we acquired the majority stake in Novatec Engineering in northern Italy. Together with Novatec, we are specialists in the fully automated production of high-quality tubes, from laser welding and cutting to tube forming. Internationally as well, we have been represented by our subsidiary in the USA in Nova Detroit area since 2001. In 2013, we also established our branch office in Shanghai, China. This enables us to live up to our claim of highest quality and reliable customer loyalty worldwide. Our employees are the guarantors of our success. With their knowledge, experience and commitment, we shape the future together. Continuous training keeps us up to date with the latest possibilities. We rethink processes and introduce new structures to ensure pleasant, lean and safe working environments. Tomorrow's team is important to us. We offer young people good prospects. More than 20 apprentices are learning at the company's own training center. We are happy to take them on in the company because they are familiar with our machines after their training. As a family-owned company, Wild Technology stands for flexibility, reliability and sustainability. We see ourselves as an innovation driver for customized solutions in the sheet metal processing of tomorrow. Welcome to Weil technology.